Dear students, parents, welcome to the channel Max Made Easy. So, let us continue our discussion related to class 4, chapter 1 Max. So, in our last class, we have discussed the first question in your textbook. Now, let's continue with the next question in your textbook. Okay. So the question is, see, you have on June 5th, there is an environmental day. This club distributes vegetable seeds to the members. Okay. So now they have bought in. So the club people, now we have to help our club people. Okay. So 10 packets of seeds were brought in, each containing 100 seeds. Then you have to find out how many total seeds are there, and then these seeds have to be total, whatever the total seeds has to be distributed among the 100 members of the club in small packet. Okay, so then you have to identify how many you have to fill in each small packets. Okay, so that is your question. So the club wants to distribute seeds, so they have brought in some seeds. You have to calculate the total, and now you have to help them to find out how many you have to distribute in each packet to, if you want to equally distribute to 100 members. So let's discuss each question one by one. Okay, so let's go to our first question. So 10 packets of seeds were brought in, each containing 100 seeds. So you have to find out how many seeds in all. What is the total number of seeds? Okay, so as we discussed in last class, from your question, you find out the relevant information. So what all are the relevant information? So you have the number of packets. They have given the number of packets, and they have given you number of seeds in one packet, each packet. Okay, so what is your step number one of number of packets? So what is the number of packets? It's 10. Okay, now number of seeds in one packet. Okay, so now what is that? It is 100. Okay, so now you have to find out how many seeds in total. So you know what you have to do? You have to add this 100 10 times, repeated addition, or in other way it is multiplication. So you have to multiply 100 into 10. Okay, so 100 into 10, you will get the answer as 1000. Okay, from the question, number of packets were given and number of seeds in one packet is given. So you are asked to find out the total number of seeds. So you have to multiply it. So we multiplied and we found out the total number of seeds. Now what is the next question? So the next question is, these seeds, that is whatever the total number of seeds that you have found out just now, are to be equally distributed among the 100 members of the club in small packets, and now you are asked to find out how many seeds in each small packet. Okay, so what is your first information? You have to find out the relevant information from the question. So that these seeds, whatever we have found out now, so what is the total number of seeds? Okay, so the total number of seeds is 1000 that we have calculated now, and that has to be distributed among 100 members. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is number of members. So number of members is equal to 100. So now what you have to do? You have to find out how many you have to fill in each, how many seeds you have to fill in each small packet if you want to distribute it as equally among 100 members. So you are asked to find out how many hundreds will make 1000. Okay, so we discussed in the last class how many hundreds will make 1000. How can you find out that? How many small chunks will make a large number? You have to divide. Division is the solution. If you want to find out how many small chunks will make a large number, you have to divide that large number by small chunks. Okay, so you have to perform 1000 by 100. So as we discussed last class, if you zeros are there, you can cut off the zeros and you will get the answer as 10. Okay, so how many seeds in each small packet? The answer is 10. All right. So now let's discuss the next question. So the next question is, a friend is in hospital and each class decided to raise 1000 rupees. Okay, and details are given in table. So you have class 4, these many division are there. You decided to raise 1000 rupees and you have to fill in the amount to be raised in 4th day to make 1000. Okay, so 4th A class, they have collected on their first day 310 rupees. Second day they have collected 490 rupees, and third day they have collected 100 rupees. So now what you have to do, you have to make it 1000. That is your aim. So now you have to find out from the total how much more money you need to be collected on the fourth day. So what you have to do, first you have to find out the total of all these things. 310 plus 490 plus 100. Find out the total. Okay, so 310 plus 490 plus 100. So what is the total? I request everyone to work it on your notebook. Okay, pause the video and work it on the notebook. So you will get the value 900. So your total is 900. Now you have already collected 900. So now what you have to do? You have to find out what is the remaining amount you need if you want to make 1000. Okay, so your target is 1000. You got 900. Now you have to find out what is the remaining amount. So the remaining amount, whenever you have to, you are asked to find out a remaining amount, you have to go for subtraction. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to subtract 900 from 1000. Okay, that is what the remaining money. So your target is 1000 and you have to subtract. You already have 900. So if you find out the remaining money, you have to subtract 900 from 1000. So you will get the answer as 100. Same way you have to do for the remaining classes. So for this class, they have collected 400, 490 and 100. So you have to add it up. 400, 490 and 100. So when you add 400, 490, 100, you will get 990. So 990. So now you have to find out the remaining money. So for finding out the remaining money, you have to perform subtraction. So 1000 minus 990, you will get 10. Okay. Now, same way for your next class, it is 410, 290 and 250. So when you add 410, 290 and 250 together, you will get 950. And to make 1000, what you have to do? From the 1000, you have to find subtract 950. So you will get the answer as 50. Same way, do it for the remaining, the fourth one also, 410 plus 490 plus 99. So you will get the answer as 999. And when you subtract 1000 from 999 from 1000, you will get the answer as 1. Okay. So this video we have discussed two problems, the next two problems in the class 4. So we will meet in our next video with the remaining portions. So if you have understood, if you like my videos, please do support. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.